Number 18 in the green book, and it makes me think we should do this with a Venn diagram, because you have set X, and set X has 10 integers, and then you have set Y, which will be my circle on the right, which has 18 integers, and I'm trying to figure out, they give me this notation, X triangle Y, and they say that's what that means is everything that's in X and Y, but not in both of them. So we're trying to find this and that. And they tell me that there are 6 of the integers are in both X and Y, so it will be a 6 right there. Well, if set X has 10 integers and there's 6 in the middle, that means this has got to be a 4. And if set Y has 18 integers and there's 6 in the middle, that means this has got to be 12. So that area we're trying to find would be 4 plus 12, which is 16. And now I would like to work number 20. And number 20 is 1 plus square root 5 times 1 minus square root 5. I'm going to do this a long way first, okay? So you want to say 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 times negative square root of 5 is negative square root of 5. Now square root of 5 times 1 is plus square root of 5, and then square root of 5 times negative square root of 5 is just negative 5. Because when you multiply the same two square roots together, you always end up getting what's underneath the radical. Because if you multiply these two, you get the square root of 25, and we know the square root of 25 is 5. So these cancel out, and you're left with just negative 4. Now the short way to do this problem is to recognize that 1 plus square root of 5 and 1 minus square root of 5, they're exactly the same, except one has a plus sign in between and one has a minus. Whenever that's the case, all you have to do is multiply the first ones and multiply the last ones, because these middle ones will always fall out. So that would be 1 minus 5, which is negative 4.